Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create category in your WordPress website. So very simple and basic way to create a category. Firstly log in your WordPress dashboard and work cursor to post. Once you click here, you will see some options. Click on categories. Now here type a name. Like I want to create a test named category. So type here your category name slug. The slug is the URL friendly version of the name. It is usually all lowercase and contains only letters, numbers, and hyphens. So type category as your type slug as your category name. Parent category. Categories, unlike tags, can have a hierarchy. You might have a Z category and under that have children categories for Bebop and big band, totally optional. Now here guys you can create a parent category. If you have already, so select that one, and if you don't need, so select none. Like you want to create child category and one main category, like you want to create post about technology, so select technology as a parent. And in technology you can create different type of technology post, like tech or WordPress, YouTube, Facebook, hosting, domains. So you can make it as a child category. Description. The description is not permitted by default. However, here you can add description for your category. Then click on add new category. That's it. So as we can see, we have this category. So all posts where we select this category, so they will display here in this test category. So very simple and basic way guys. Just log in your WordPress dashboard, then hover cursor to post, and here click on add new, and here click on categories and add your new category name, slug, and description. Then click on add new. That's it. So thanks for watching, and please share, like, and subscribe to the channel for more useful videos.